Let your hand come from his blind side. I'm standing here like this, see? See it? Right there. Just like so. Remember, I told you to step on the outside of his foot. Okay? Outside of his foot. Once I'm here, I pass his guard while standing. He doesn't realize. Once I'm here, I pass his guard while standing. It's all about passing his guard instead of starting the grapple and then trying to pass his guard. You understand? Instead of being here, I'm in his guard, jump guard. I'm in his guard. See it?
Yeah.
Watch this. Boom. I just passed his guard. Now if I take him down, I'm already past his guard.
Yeah.
You understand? It's about passing his guard while standing. The last thing any jujitsuan is thinking about is somebody passing their guard while standing. Corner drop, I do it on his left arm. See it? So I'll be here, boom. I'm right here, he steps inside, I'm going Sumi. Drop down as I bring my shin up into his, boom. See it? Just like so. You go. So, I'm like this. Boy. See me? Just like so. Boom. Right there. Just like that.
How's that for?
Make sense?